In this video, we will explore some ways to present an image gallery. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow via Component Menu Item. The first is Present Your Gallery via Menu Item. With the Show List panel, this is to define what images will be shown in the gallery. We need to select a show list or create one by clicking on the plus icon. From here you can go to the Show List Manager page to see all of the show lists. Click on the pencil icon to edit the show list that is selected. Next is Showcase panel. It defines how to present images in the gallery. Select a showcase, and here you can edit, create, or open Showcase Manager page. The final step we need is to select a presentation method. We will select via Menu Item Method and select a menu to show this gallery. Click on the Go button. This is the menu's New Item page. Enter the menu item title, and from here you can change some settings for your gallery, for example, overall width and height. Don't forget to save the menu item. Now let's go to the visitor area, reload to check your gallery. Click on the Image Show menu item. This is your image gallery. It's created with JSN ImageShow. The second way is to present your gallery in module position. Go back to Launchpad, select Show List, Showcase, and In Module Position method. Click on the Go button. This is the new Image Show module page. You need to enter the module title. And set for the gallery if you want. Select the position of the template you're using. We are using the ProtoStar template. Select banner position, for example. And don't forget to save the module. Now let's go to the visitor area. Reload to check your gallery. The Image Show module is showing on the banner position. The final method is to present the gallery inside an article. Go back to Launchpad, select Show List, select Showcase, and Inside Article method. Click on the Go button. The plugin syntax details modal will be shown. We need to insert the following text to your article at the position where you want to show the gallery. Copy and click on the Done button. Now we go to the main menu to edit the single article that's assigned for the home menu item. The syntax will be pasted to the end of this article. Change to Toggle Editor and paste. Save the article. Save the menu item and go to the front end to check the gallery. Scroll down to the end of the article to check. The last way to present an image gallery is called the syntax from article. We will open an article and showing on the front end to call the syntax. Go to the home menu item and edit Getting Started article. With Tiny Editor, click on Image Show Element on the list of elements. In the JSN ImageShow Gallery Setting modal, we need to select Show List and Showcase. Also, you can enter the width and height of your gallery if you wish. Click on Insert. In the article, you can see the syntax is showing. After finishing, click on Save the article and save the menu item. Now go to the front end, reload, and check the result. Some ways to present the image gallery have now been introduced. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.